Every project we take on is unique, often on challenging or complex sites, and it's where our craftsmanship and attention to detail really shines. Let's check out a few of our incredible homes currently under construction. From structural works to internal fit-outs, there's been a solid mix of progress, precision, and a whole lot of teamwork behind the scenes. We love seeing these homes come to life, one stage at a time. If you're planning your own build, or just love seeing how custom homes come together, stick around. We've got plenty more to come.